So we're moving on to pitching, all right? And like I said earlier, a pitch shot is more of a high lofted, sit soft type of shot. So it's really something that you're gonna wanna use when you're short-sighted on a green, meaning that the flag is really close to you. So for demonstration purposes wise, this front ball is gonna be the hole. This very front ball is gonna be the hole, okay? With a pitch shot, you're gonna take the same grip that we did with every other grip, all right? So left hand, like you're gonna shake someone's hand, right hand, like you're shaking someone's hand, put it on the grip of the club, interlock fingers, all right? With the pitch shot though, you're gonna want the ball a little bit more up in your stance, kind of where you have the putter, okay? So the ball when we putt is gonna when we putt is in the mid, to the front of our stance. When we pitch, it's going to be the same thing, more in the front of your stance, okay? And this one, your hands are going to be even with the ball, okay? We're not going to forward press them, but we don't want our hands pressed back way like this so that our leading edge is leading in through the ball, because we're going to skull that shot, okay? So your hands are going to be even with the ball, all right? And this one is going to be a little bit more of a swing, okay? Not an aggressive full swing, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna kind of try to keep your hands pretty still and pretty quiet through the swing. Meaning, you shouldn't have a death grip on your club, all right? You just kind of nice and loose, and then it's just gonna be, more of like a 4 or 5 o'clock, okay? Back up to 10 or 11 to 12 o'clock, what?
It would be like 1 or 2 o'clock.
Is that 1 or 2 o'clock?
4 or 5 is down
It's
there.
down here, isn't it?
Yeah. But we got that figured out.
All right, well, I'll try to edit that out. All right. So what is this?
That would be
2?
1.
11.
Wait, no,
One. It'd be 1 to 11.
Well,
Yeah.
towards us, it's 11.
11, so 1 on my side.
Yeah.
So we'll say 1 to 11.
Yeah.
All right. So what you want is you want to swing that's from about 1 o'clock to 11 o'clock, okay? And you're not going to swing very hard, all right? The object of this, again, like I said, is to get the ball in the air and to land it on the green softly, okay? So an example of that is going to look, again, if you ladies want to swing around, that's fine. But like I said, we're going to this close ball here, not any of the holes. So this close ball here, so you can see my stance is pretty narrow too, kind of like your putting stance, all right? You're not as spread out as your full swing. So it's kind of like your putting stance, and you're just going to want to get, nice and comfortable, knees a little bit bent. You don't want stiff leg, but you don't want too much flexion, okay? Ball should be, your eyes should be over the ball just like putting, and you're just going to just nice and easily, it's just here and here. And you see how the ball popped up in the air and it landed very softly on the green. That's all you want to do. So I took a very big swing, but the ball only went 2 or 3 yards, all right? That's because you really got to feel it and keep your hands quiet. This is kind of an advanced shot, and it leaves room for error, okay? You can skull it, you can hit it fat, but again, like I said, just nice and easy, high, ball high, sits soft on the green, rolls right up next to the hole. And that's really going to help you out. So we'll practice this shot.